Ooh, okay. Hello guys. Today we're playing playing Blackout Rescue Mission 5. Very cool game. I know. One of the best. It's really I this looks like an amazing game. It looks so good. I think it is good. I don't know. Servi from Killer Flamingo. Draw stuff. Flamingo couldn't win, but can you? Yeah, that's because Flamingo rages a lot. I don't have anything, Flamingo. If you're watching this, I don't have anything against you. Just, just pretty much rage a lot. Rage a lot, to be honest. Press any key to continue. Pressing any key. That'd be good. This game looks really cool. All right, here you go. Here you go. To my loadout. And let's see. SMGs. UP. Well, you see, UP. And two, four shotguns. Nelly now. I'll just start with this AK-47. Everyone knows the gun. But oh, Glock. Glock is very very common. Very very common. Let's go. Do yeah. Right. Come on, come on. Yeah, that's what I don't really like about this. Actually, you know what? I'm taking so much time. How about I just go in 5v5 mode? I do play entry points like I do play entry point, and I have experienced Shadow War. Shadow War is very cool, very awesome. Yeah, it's really cool. So entry point is a good game. Guess it's like this. I don't know. Oh wow, there's a lot of people on Earthworm Sally, Banana Boy, and okay, I'm in blue with Earthworm Sally. Hi guys. All right, all right, all right. Oh my god. Cool, cool. You can aim with sights. That's pretty cool. Oh, semi-auto? This game sucks, man. I'm just going to use this gun. Come on. Sneak in, guys. Ooh. Oh yeah, I suck. Wait, no. Oh god, Earthworm Sally's dead. Oh no. Earthworm Sally, carrying diseases from Florida to Cali. I hate the semi-auto gun. I don't. I'm pretty low. Well, it's breathing if you can listen. Yeah, I suck. I suck. Oh my god, that's like my first kill. Dude, just turn my volume down a bit so my ears don't die. Let's go. Let's go again. Let's go again. Let's go again, mates. Let's do this. 5v5 is extremely fun, man. It's just like Shadow War. Super fun, super great, and I'm in red team. Alright, let's see how this goes. Panda Fitness and Leisure? Sorry, I'm just really stupid. You can literally friendly fire. What? Bye. I shot my own teammate. I've seen people shooting windows, but I've seen more people shoot doors. I want to be special. I'm gonna shoot everything I see. Holy moly, man. Oh my god. Can't have a team losing. Oh, guys! No! No, we lost, man. We lost. I am just horrible, that's why. It's because of me. Recoil on this thing is not so bad. Straight for the objective. No! Gosh darn it. No, no, there's literally versus. Bro, I'm literally dead. You fool. You fool! Oh, the guy's has a suppressor. You're not too low. You're not low. Oh my god, let's go, man! That was like a really close match, to be honest. Oh god, god. Oh, they have an AFK person. Holy moly. No, oh, man. Dude, we suck so much because of me. I am horrible, man. Oh, I'm actually serious. I actually suck. This is not like a vlog, to be honest. It looks like a P250. Your team won. Let's go, man. Go. Oh, man, we got so many wins. Ooh, this is actually a really good game. Let's do 2v2 now. Alright, let's do 2v2. 2v2, man. 2v2. We're gonna lose. I am horrible at this game. Yet I am brave enough. Hopefully, Samuelin is good at the game and not trash like me. Alright. Let's KDR. Brahmam. Okay, Brahmam. First of all, don't cuss. Don't always aim with your sights. Holy moly, Samuelin is freaking. Dude, he's freaking AFK. Are you kidding me? Oh, okay, you can move. You can move. Yay. FBI freaking open up. Let's